Welcome to Cell Purify. In a world filled with modern complexities, we often forget the profound wisdom that lies in our roots. Today, we're journeying back to this ancient knowledge, exploring herbal medicine, nature's oldest and most trusted form of healing. For millennia, these powerful plants have offered solace and strength. Join us as we rediscover how to work with the earth to find balance and vitality. Remember our guiding principle: cleanse thy cells, ease the dis-ease. Herbal medicine uses plants, roots, leaves, and flowers to support health naturally. It's been used for thousands of years in cultures worldwide. Herbs contain active compounds that help the body heal, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. Some popular herbs include turmeric for inflammation, ginger for digestion, echinacea for immunity, chamomile for relaxation. One of the most ancient and comforting ways to enjoy herbal medicine is through a warm, soothing tea. This simple ritual allows for a gentle infusion of the plant's properties, offering a direct connection to its healing essence. For more concentrated forms, herbs are available as tinctures, capsules, and even topical oils. Tinctures provide a potent dose, while capsules offer pre-measured convenience. Topical oils can be applied directly to the skin for localized relief. However, it's crucial to remember that herbs are powerful. Always consult a qualified herbalist or healthcare professional, especially if you're combining them with other treatments, to ensure safety and proper dosage. Herbal medicine can support your immune system, reduce stress, improve digestion, and promote overall wellness naturally. We've journeyed through nature's pharmacy, uncovering the incredible potential held within these humble herbs. Each one offers a unique path toward balance and vitality, a testament to the healing power that surrounds us. Now, the next step in your wellness journey is yours to take. Which herb will you try first? We invite you to join our community by subscribing to Cell Purify for more holistic health tips and deep dives into natural remedies. Together, let's continue to learn and grow. And always remember, cleanse thy cells, ease the dis-ease.